Welcome back to my channel. Well guys, as you see from the title, today I'm preparing some curry beef. Yes. And if you want to see how I prepare this one, just keep on watching. To my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming for the first time, please welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, put your bell on so you will get notified when I have a new upload. So just keep on watching guys. So here we're jumping straight into the video. Here I have some beef. I'm going to cut these in bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to wash with vinegar and add seasons of choice. The season I'll be using will be on the screen, and I'll also link them in the description box below. So I'm just going to season this, put to marinate, and I'll catch you when it's time to cook. So just keep on watching guys. our meat has been marinated for over an hour. So here I'm adding some oil just to add my curry, and I'm using a mixture of turmeric, curry, and masala. In that way, I'll get a vibrant curry color, okay? But it's up to you. This is just my likings. So, but in any way, we need to burn our curry before adding our meat. And here I'm adding my marinated beef. I'm going to stir that well and cover my pot and allow it to start the cooking process while sweating its own juice. On the other side of the stove, please put a pot with water or plug your kettle in so you will have hot water to cook this meat. Okay, we need hot water when cooking curry or whenever cooking any meat. Okay, so here I'm back after 15 minutes. I'm going to stir this well. Look guys, I didn't add water, and you see, yes, this is what we need. So I'm going to stir that well, add hot water and cover my pot, and I'm going to repeat this step by adding the water until my meat is tender enough. And I'll come back when it's time to add my potatoes and stuff. So now our beef is tender enough, and we're going to add an extra amount of onion, bell pepper, some more hot pepper, and our potato pieces. And we're just going to add some more water, lower our flame, and allow the potato pieces to cook and our sauce reduce. And here is our finished curry beef. Yes, smell really good in the kitchen, guys. Yes, and it was delicious as well. Yes, and as you see, everything married together. Yes. So, and here is the finished dish. I served this with some rice and peas, a little cabbage and carrot salad, some steamed carrot and green peas, and some broccoli. And dinner was delicious. So hope you guys enjoy this one. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And also put your bell on so you will get notified. Putting your bell on is very important to us content creator. Yes, makes no sense subscribing, then you don't get notified when we upload. So guys, please just tap the bell so you can get notified when we upload, okay? So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.